ready to tap into the real estate data that top investors use to find hidden opportunities and close deals. Let's get you signed up for PropStream. First, head over to PropStream's website Circumflex Euros. You'll find the link in the description below for easy access. Look for the prominent Start Free Trial or Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner or center of the page, and give it a click. Now, you'll be directed to the registration form. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and phone number in the corresponding fields. Make sure you double-check your email address for accuracy, because you'll need it to verify your account. Next, you'll be presented with PropStream's subscription. Plans take a moment to review the features and pricing of each plan to determine which one best suits your real estate investing needs. Some plans may offer more detailed data or advanced analytics tools. After selecting your plan, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. This typically includes your credit card details, such as card number, expiration date, and CVV code. PropStream uses secure encryption to protect your financial information. Finally, once your payment is processed, you'll gain access to your new PropStream account, and you can start exploring the platform and diving into real estate data right away. Start searching properties, analyzing market trends, and uncovering those hidden real estate gems. Happy investing!